Hi students, good morning. How are you all? Yeah, we're going to look at answers to the exercises. Some of the exercises answers we have already gone through, and I had sent you the videos of that. Today the remaining ones from this chapter on clauses. Okay, various types of clause and things like that we are going to see. Okay, today we are going to look at exercise from 134 to 41. Okay, I'm sure you have done all the exercises. Please compare your answers with these that I'm going to give you. Okay, exercise number 134. Okay, it says complete the following sentences with who, whom, whose, which, that, in such, or on which, in which, or on which. Okay, so the first one I have done it here. There are many places we haven't visited. There are many places dash we haven't visited. So it is filled with that. So there are many places that we haven't visited or which we haven't visited. One of them can be used. Okay, there are many places that we haven't visited or which we haven't visited. Okay, question number 2. The house dash we live is an old one. The house in which we live is an old one. Uneasy lies the head dash wears a crown. Uneasy lies the head that wears or which wears a crown. He is a man dash we all respect. He is a man whom we all respect. The moment dash is lost forever. That is lost. The moment that is lost forever. Now 135. It says combine the following pairs of sentences into one sentence. Two sentences are given and then you have to make it into one sentence. The lawyer was clever, one sentence. We engaged the lawyer, the second sentence. Now we are going to combine it. The lawyer who was clever is engaged by us, or we engaged the lawyer who was clever. Okay, we engaged the lawyer who was clever, or the lawyer who was clever is engaged by us. That way also you can do that. Next one, that is 135 2. The girls were delighted. We praise the girls. We praise the girls who were delighted. Sheila can't find the record. She was listening to the record yesterday. Sheila can't find the record which she was listening yesterday. Helen liked the gift. Peter gave her the gift on her birthday. Helen liked the gift which Peter gave her on her birthday. We all enjoyed the story. Your friend told the story. We all enjoyed the story which your friend told or that your friend told. That's all. Exercise number 136. It says combine each pair of sentences below so as to make one sentence. Like last time again, two sentences are given. You have to make it into one sentence. Changing the italicized sentence into an adjective clause. So some sentences, one sentence each in all the exercises are given in italicized, that you have to change into an adjective clause. An old beggar was knocked down by a scooter last week. He is still in hospital. So an old beggar was knocked down by a scooter last week is given in italicized. Now that only we have to change into an adjective clause. The old beggar who was knocked down by the scooter last week. So who was knocked down by the scooter last week has become an adjective clause modifying the noun, the beggar. Is still in the hospital. So the answer is the old beggar who was knocked down by the scooter last week is still in the hospital. Next, number 2, you borrowed a book from me. Have you read it? You borrowed a book from me is what is given in italicized. So have you read the book that you borrowed from me? Have you read the book that you borrowed from me? Next, here is a man. His daughter has been abducted. Now, his daughter has been abducted is what is given in italicized or italics. Here is the man whose daughter has been abducted. Here is the man whose daughter has been abducted. Next, number 4, the boy is my uncle's son. He led the flag march. He led the flag march is given in italics. So the boy who led the flag march is my uncle's son. The boy who led the flag march is my uncle's son. So who led the flag march is a new clause that we have made. The girl is absent. We were using her dictionary. The girl whose dictionary we are using is absent. Okay, that's how it is. The girl whose dictionary we are using is absent. Okay. Next, exercise number 137. We need not use, I have not written it there. That is not part of your syllabus, so we don't need to use that. Now we go into 138. 138 says, rewrite each of the following sentences using an infinitive in place of an adjective clause given in italics. Here also you have to change the clause given in italics into an infinitive. The doctor has given me medicine which I must take. So which I must take is what is given in italics. So by using an infinitive it will change like this. The doctor has given me medicine which I must take is what is given here. This is in italics, this underlined one. So instead of that we use to. So the doctor has given me medicine to take. This will not be there. The doctor has given me medicine to take. That will be the new form. To take. Okay, to take. Next, I have some sums which I must do. I have some sums to do. His mother gave her a rupee which she might put in her money box. Which she might put in her money box. His mother gave her a rupee to put in the money box. Her mother gave her 3 rings which she might wear on her wedding day. Her mother gave her 3 rings to wear on her wedding day. The poor orphan has no clothes which he can wear. The poor orphan has no clothes to wear. That's all from that exercise. Now we go into exercise number 139. 139 says, complete these sentences by adding adverb clause of time, place, reason, manner, purpose, result, condition, comparison or concession. So against each question they have mentioned what is to be given. Okay, and we have to make the clause. He was allowed to go. Place is what is given, so you have to make an adverb clause of place. He was allowed to go. He was allowed to go to the place where her parents were. So he was allowed to go. Up to here it is given in the textbook. And what is added here is to the place where her parents were, or where her parents lived, where her parents stayed, or that could be used. He was allowed to go to the place where her parents were, where her parents lived, where her parents stayed, or that could be used. Question number 2, he died, and the rest we have to make. He died, and the clause asked for his cause. He died because he met with an accident. Next, the prince walked, and the clause we have to make is adverb clause of manner. The prince walked as slowly as he could. As slowly as he could. No, as if he was sick. Sorry, as if he was sick. I made a mistake. Next, number 4, he played with the machine. He played with the machine. Again, manner is asked. He played with the machine as if he was a child. As if he was a child. We couldn't play the match. What is asked is adverb clause of reason. So we couldn't play the match because it was raining, or because it rained. Now exercise number 140. Combine each pair of sentences below into one sentence, changing the italicized sentence into an adverb clause. Here also, as two sentences are given, you have to combine one of them, which is given in italics, we have to change into an adverb clause. Okay. So here the first one is done. He came to my house. I was out then. I went out and he came to my house. Two actions happening. Okay, these are the two things. And what is given in italics is that he came to my house. When we change it in an adverb clause, okay, when he came to my house, I was out. This then will not be there. When he came to my house, I was out. The time that he came to my house, at that time I had gone out. Next, she walks past him very often. That is in italics. She always smiles at him. When she walks past him, she always smiles at him. He may go anywhere, the police will find him. Wherever he may go, the police will find him. I will get ready, do not go till then. Till I get ready, do not go, or do not go till I get ready. He was hanged, he had committed a murder. He was hanged because he had committed a crime. Now the last one, 141, rewrite the following sentences using unless in place of if. If you don't pay your fees today, you will not be admitted. And you have to use unless. So unless you pay your fees, don't will be removed. Unless you pay, because unless has got a negative already, we cannot use again another negative. So unless you pay your fees today, you will not be admitted is the answer. 141.2. If you don't hurry, you will be late for the meeting. Unless you hurry, you will be late for the meeting. If Peter doesn't obey orders, he will be punished. Unless Peter obeys orders, he will be punished. If Sheila works hard, she will win the first prize. Unless Sheila works hard, she will not win the first prize. Please pay attention there. Unless Sheila works hard, she will not win the prize. Next, question number 5. If he doesn't repay the money, I shall be angry. Unless he repays the money, I shall be angry. That's all, my dear students. Please go through the answers that you have made and compare with this. Thank you.